How to create a new account in PUBG Mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a new account in PUBG Mobile. First, download and open the PUBG Mobile app on your iOS or Android device. Once the game loads, you will see various options for logging in. Choose one that suits you best, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Google Play. Follow the prompts to log in with your chosen service, and your PUBG Mobile account will be all set up. Now that you've got your brand new account, why not make it even more exciting? With PlayBite, you can play fun, casual games and win rewards like official App Store and Play Store gift cards. These can be used to buy in-game items or G-Coins in PUBG Mobile, giving you a boost without spending money. Don't miss out. Download PlayBite today. Start playing and enhance your PUBG Mobile experience with cool in-game rewards. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.